Hi guys, this is Anukiran Ghosh and welcome back to a new video on this channel. This video is about introduction to GitHub. So if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel and tap the bell icon to get notified on each and every time I upload a new video. So if you are new to GitHub, this video is meant for you. So first of all, I have created a GitHub profile. First of all, you need to create a GitHub profile, and creating a GitHub profile is very easy, just like you create an account on any other site. So first of all, you need to go to github.com and sign up and do all those stuff. And I'm not going to show you all the stuff in this video. I'm going to start with introduction to GitHub, assuming that you have already created a GitHub account. So I went to GitHub Classroom and GitHub Global Classroom. I signed up there and I clicked on the first course, which is Introduction to GitHub. First course or first readme file or whatever you call it, first option you get to see there is Introduction to GitHub. So I clicked on it and this repository was assigned to me by GitHub Global Classroom, and as you can see, it is a private repository completely assigned to me by GitHub Global Classroom. You can see the username on the repository, my username on the repository, and this is how you can create a sample tutorial for introduction to GitHub. So first of all, so now let's move over to the actual tutorial, introduction to GitHub course. So first of all, they will teach you about how to create a branch. So first of all, let's have a look at the repository. So I have been telling repository many times, but do you know what is a repository? That is also mentioned here. A repository is a project containing files and folders. A repository tracks versions of files and folders. Now, what is a branch? A branch is a parallel version of your repository. By default, your repository has one branch named main. So you can create a new branch and make changes there, and it will not reflect on the main branch. So you don't need to worry about the mistakes. And then you can commit the changes on different branch, on the separate branch other than the main. And then you can submit a pull request to merge it to the main branch. So that is all about the branch part. So don't worry about that. Let's do it step by step. So first of all, let's create a branch. So they have provided all the steps here. First of all, you need to go to this thing called open this repository on a new tab. So just click on the repository link, right click and open it in a new tab. So now go to the code tab. So to create a branch, go to the open the link in the new tab and go to code tab. Click on the code tab, and as you can see, beside main there is a drop down icon. So you need to click on that, and inside that you'll get to see, after you click on that, you'll get a drop down option. You need to click on that and you need to type in my first branch, and after that, below my first branch, after you have typed in my first branch, you can click on the create branch option. So as soon as you click on my create branch option, a branch will be created. So now whatever changes or whatever files you will be adding, it will be added to my first branch and not main branch. So this is step 1. They teach you about how to create a branch, and the next step is how to commit. So now you need to commit changes. For example, a commit is the definition of commit is a set of changes to the files and folders in your project. A commit exists in a branch. So you need to add a file and then you need to upload that file to GitHub, to the new branch you have just created. So how to do that? So to do that, you need to go to the repository, and inside that repository, in the repository you'll get to see add a file option. As you can see, all the steps are mentioned here, step by step tutorial. Then you need to commit the changes with the new file. So go to the repository, click on add a file drop down. Under the code tab, inside the code tab, add a file drop down, and there are two options, create new file and upload files. Click on create new file and type in the name of the file, profile.md. So this is a markdown file. .md is a markdown file, so you can type in anything inside the file, and in the commit new file option, type in adding profile.md and click on commit new file. So profile readme is just like the about me section of the profile, and repository readme is about the is like the description of the repository. Now they will teach you about how to open a pull request. So what is a pull request? It's like contributing something to an open source project or any project out there on GitHub, and then you can open a pull request, and the maintainer of the project will merge the pull request if they find it like valuable, or if they find it useful, if they find your contribution useful or needed to be added or something like that. So how to create a pull request? As you can see, here's an option, compare and pull request. You can directly click on that, and a pull request will be created, or you can do it the hard way, like you can go to pull request tab and then click on create a pull request and do all those stuff. So we will not go by the hard way now. We will just click on compare and create pull request. So as soon as you click on compare and pull request, it will directly take you to the open a pull request. So open a pull request box. Now you can type in the description, like I will type in I have created a branch, a file, and did my first commit. Now you can click on create pull request and a pull request will be created. Now they will show you how to merge a pull request. For example, I am the contributor in this repository and I am also the maintainer. They are giving me the maintainer access as well, so I will be able to merge this pull request as well. So now you can see how to merge your pull request. A merge adds the change in your pull request and branch into the main branch. So I have created the changes. I have uploaded the file in the branch I have created, in the separate branch, not the main branch. Main branch is the default branch, and I have added the file on my first branch, which I have created in the beginning of this video, at the beginning of this video. So now I will show you how to merge the pull request you have just now created. So go to the repository and click on the merge pull request. As you can see, it has no conflict. Click on confirm, and now you can delete the branch you have created, my first branch. As you can see, you are all set. My first branch can be safely deleted. So yeah, this is all about today's video. Please do like and share this video and subscribe to this channel for regular updates related to technology, cybersecurity and programming. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next one.